In this video, it's a Nightclub Two Step video. We're going to do a rolling hammer to a dip. We'll show it to you first, then we'll break it down. So it starts like this. We're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and then he can come out with the left hand turn. And we'll do it another way so you can see, and we'll hold it a little bit longer. We'll do it this way. Okay, ready, and go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. We just held that dip for another 8 counts. Okay, all right, let's break that down, Dick.
Okay, so we are going to, like we said, get to a two-hand hold and slide out.
A little bit this way.
And I'm going to lead a hammerlock. Off to my left side, I'm going to stay on this side of the slot, by the way. So,
and what he does is when he gives me the hammerlock, he leaves my hand there, and I leave it as I keep turning, and then he'll catch it as he finishes.
so I'll release and then catch. Here's the hammer.
1, we'll go slow. 2, I'm going to go 3 and 4.
So I kept my hand available, scooted around on her waist. Now I'm in the hammer. We are both going to do a rock away, rock back, and I'm going to wind up in a cuddle. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now we're wrapped in a nice tight cuddle. Now I'm going to rock back and block, almost take a diagonal step. I'm going to rock her back as well. 1 and step across and cut her off. 2 and then 3, 4. So that was 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then we can end this with a closed left turn.
So let's do it from this direction, and you can see the back, what happens here.
Okay, so I'm going to roll the hammerlock first. Again, I'm staying on this side of the slot.
1 and 2, here I go.
Notice my hand stays.
3 and 4.
I reconnect here. We do a rock back from here, and I'm wrapping the cuddle, still staying on this side of the slot.
1 and 2.
I travel
3
side,
and
cross, side. Now, I'm going to rock back and block. 1 and 2. The 2 count with my left foot, I'm going to block. 1 and block. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 3 and stand up. We just held that dip longer. Back into a left-hand turn to finish it off. So those are a couple of options on that quick little dip.
Let's do it this direction and see what happens, okay?
This is where we were.
No, here, let's do it this direction.
Okay, so
Let's move over.
hammerlock first. I stay on this side.
1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Rock back,
1 and
To cuddle.
2, 3 and 4.
rock
1
step,
and 2,
walk.
3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then I just want to go over the follower's footwork. So we'll do it this direction. So what happens here is he goes 1 and 2. He puts my hand in a hammerlock here. I'm going to leave it there, and because the rule in dance is you always leave the hand where the leader left it. So I leave my hand here, and it goes around, and his hand is going around my waist, and he catches my hand. Then here I'm just going to do a cuddle. I'm going to go 1 and 2. I do a quick turn, 3 and 4. My left foot is back. Then he's going to rock me back. 1 and he cuts me off. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. He went 3, 4. And then there's a left hand turn.
3 and 4.
All right, that was the move we taught. Thanks a lot. See you later.